Hail, O Queen of Heaven. Hail, Lady of the Angels. Hail, root and hail, gate, from which the light of the world arose. Rejoice, O glorious Virgin, fairest of all. Farewell, O most beautiful, and pray for us to Christ. Pray for us, O Holy Mother of God, that we may be made worthy of the promises of Christ.